What's up, guys? Ryan from I Teach Credit. As you know, this is my card. This is my dream, and the fastest way to this card is by educating people like you on credit. And today I want to talk about the jokesters out there who say the best way to use credit is to not use it at all. That's not really a good idea, and here's why. Pretty much every consumer product out there that you would buy at a store or online, typically what they're doing is they're factoring the credit card price that they're going to get charged, the 2 to 3%, whatever it is. They're already passing that on to you. So if you're not getting the 2% to 6% cash back or rewards back, you're basically overpaying for all your products because you're not getting that money back. So the best and smartest thing you could do for all purchases that you make, especially for the fraud liability protection, is to use a credit card. That way you get your cash back, you get your fraud liability protection, and you're helping to continue to build and boost your credit profile. All right? Hope you guys found that helpful. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it, tell everybody about it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.